Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube Studio Editor for trimming and end screens, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to YouTube. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. After YouTube Studio loads, look for the Videos tab on the left sidebar. Click on Videos to view your uploaded content. Find the video you want to edit in the list. Hover over the video and click on the Details button that appears. In the Video Details page, select the Editor option from the left sidebar. Once the editor loads, you will see the video timeline at the bottom. To trim your video, locate the timeline and drag the blue handles to select the portion you want to keep. After adjusting the handles, review the section you want to trim. If you're satisfied, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Now, let's add end screens to your video. In the editor interface, find the end screen section on the right side. Adjust the timing for each end screen element as needed. Make sure to preview the end screen to ensure everything displays correctly. When you're done customizing your end screens, click on the Save button again. Your video is now successfully trimmed and has end screens added. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other videos you wish to edit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.